Alright. Definitely a little low pressure-wise here for this ambient temp, because it is about 100. So definitely. So we're gonna add a little refrigerant, make it work a little better. And then Frank should be ready to go home. Alright, so we're adding a little bit of refrigerant. This needs to be about 315 to 325 on the high side. And right now we're creeping her up to 250. We are charging. Let this charge just a little. Nice and easy. That, getting closer. I'll put the hood down carefully. See where the gauges go. But we should be pretty much there. We're a little bit under on both. That's what the heat working. So I'm going to heat soak to see what she does. Alright. Mucho better. We're actually pretty much dead on. Remember, we always reference the high side first. The high side should be between 315 and 325 with 100 degrees ambient. And we're right around 315. So we are good to go. I'm going to drive her one more time. Frank, you can come pick up. She's a little warm. She's not overheating though. So I'm just gonna go and drive her around the block a couple times to actually cool her off. Out of here. Boy, do we have a lot of cars floating about. Floating about. Lots of vehicle madness. Vehicular madness and chaos and fun. I don't know why I'm singing, don't ask me, I don't know. But it is cool as a cucumber in here, boys and girls. I'll get some airflow over the radiator. I'm sure the motor will be cool as a cucumber. I have to say, even in the heat of the day, with the air on, she cools down rather quickly. I mean, I've only went a couple blocks and the temps were dropping and continuing to drop. So, a great car. It's nice and cool in here. Stops well. Brake pedal's firm, you know, but that's characteristic of an AMC anyway. Because their power booster setup wasn't exactly the greatest thing in the world. But it's good. I mean, you have to actually use your leg, but not like it's not power. So, happy camper, done deal, ready to go home, Frank. Yay, your baby's going home.